Okay, good morning traders. It is the 20th of November 2013 and I'm just going to run through a new strategy that I'm launching on MarketFi, and I'm going to add it on to feed to all my customers. Send out sort of stock tips and send them out on a daily basis, and if you want to follow those stock tips, you're more than welcome to join in on the profits. This system produces profits in excess sometimes of 100% a month, which is absolutely amazing. So let's just run through it here. I'm just going to run through, it's called the electric ray trend system. And the electric ray trend following system is a system I developed to take advantage of the many opportunities to profit that the stock market provides. It's a system that produces fantastic results month after month. The more volatile the market is, the better it is, as big moves lead to big profits. The only way the system can lose is if there's extended periods of consolidation. Even then, the losses are tightly managed. My watch lists are created each month through a scan that highlights the best trades available each month. So each month I look at what's happening, I do my scan. It's a special scan that I've developed over many months, and I look at the best trades that are available that are coming up that month, and during the month I make sure that I wait for the setup. When it's set up, then I take the trades. These are the basic rules for the trades. Based on my years of looking at charts, I look for charts that are either close to the 10 EMA in a pullback or have broken through a resistance area. Okay, then I trade those stocks that are bullish or bearish with a maximum of 2% risk per trade. So I enter along with the stock price. First of all, that's the first number one rule. I only enter if the price is above the 10 EMA, and I only enter short if the price is below the 10 EMA. That's my number one rule. And then I trail my stop loss 10 points below or above the 10 EMA. As soon as that price breaks below the 10 EMA, I'm pretty much out. That's it. They're short, sharp trades. Sometimes they go on for a couple of weeks. Sometimes they go on for a month. Not more than a month, though. That's pretty out of the ordinary. So let's just take a look at the. I just started sort of analyzing these trades and actually putting them on my website. So this is not obviously comprehensive, but I wanted to start, actually putting these things out there. So this is the electric ray trend following system, and it's November 2013. And these are the trades I took yesterday. You notice there's not much profit in them at the moment. And what this is like, it is like fishing, where we send out our lines. Some of those fishes will fall off, and some of them will stick on. So as we move along and some of the trades get stopped out, the ones that don't get out actually move on for big winners. These are the long trades I took yesterday, which was CLF. I entered yesterday the price at 27.91, the stop loss 27.21, the current price is 27.57, and I traded 46 shares. And let's see if I can find that. Okay, let's see. This is long trades. So this was the CLF trade here. I entered in the morning. By the afternoon, it had closed short. So this isn't looking very positive for that trade itself. Possibly be stopped out, but that's the risk you take with the system or any trade. Basically, you want to cut your losses short, and you want to let your winners run as long as possible. If this is turned around, that's fine. I don't mind being stopped out. That's just part of the game. It's an expense of doing business. Okay, next trade was Slgn, and entered 46.85, stop loss 45.73, and 58 shares. Okay, so here I like this trade because, okay, it obviously a gap here was because of this release, but it's actually tried out of this consolidation area. It's pulled back, and then this candle over here did look like it tested the 10 moving average, which I like. I like stocks that tend to stay above that 10 moving average. obviously, especially if I'm taking them as trades, and it had moved above the 50 moving average. So I was quite happy with that. I was happy that this was a nice bullish run with a pullback on uh, falling levels of volume, and this candle here looks good for that to continue into a trend on the long side. Okay, the next trade I did was Grmn, Grmn, entered at 47.43. Let's take a look at that trade quickly. Okay, so Grmn, again, nice entry is above the 10 EMA. This stock has gone from this low of around 32.77, broken through some of these, excuse me. Okay, yeah, Grmn has broken out of this consolidation area and rallied from a low of 33 to around what's sitting now at 47. It had a high of almost came up to 50, got stopped by that round number, pulled back, but it's looking to rally again after this pullback. Pretty much stayed above the 50 moving average, which is great. Broke through the 10 EMA and the 15 EMA, pulled back, and is now rallying again. So I'm hopeful on this Grmn trade, and the next level resistance, which is nice, will be around 50. So we've got about $2 in that trade. Okay. The next trade on the long side was AF, which is Astoria Financial Corp. Okay, on this trade here, also a nice little pullback, bullish here, found some resistance around 13.75, pulled back, and is now trying to rally above this sort of consolidation area. But I like this little pullback here, and I like this bullish candle here. I like the fact that the 50 is sloping upwards, and also like the fact that the volume on this day yesterday, a bullish volume, did close slightly higher, was a little bit higher than what actually increasing volume over the last few days. So went long on Astoria. Obviously I've got my watch list from my other criteria that I search from, so not just technically looking at the charts, but also looking at various fundamental sort of data on these various markets or stocks. Okay, on the short side I do short trades today. Let's see. Okay, first one is Isil, Slgn Corp, and this one's looking quite good. You can see I like these trades, the 10 moving average, and this had fallen, pulled back, and fallen again. Nice little pullback, and now it's yesterday dropped quite significantly. Well, not a massive amount, but it is only a $10 stock, so happy with that one so far, and I'll keep on trailing the stop loss below the 10 moving average. Okay, and the next trade was a PWR, and PWR over here. Okay, so this PWR dropped below the 10 moving average, and I took the trade. There seemed to be some momentum to the downside, and I was also looking yesterday at the indexes. The indexes were dropping at this point that I took the trade, so I was happy to take the trade. What I like to do is when I'm trading, I like to have a mix of both longs and shorts. Even if the market is rallying and very, very bullish, I make sure I have a couple of shorts in there, and in fact those shorts will almost be as insurance in case any major drops in the market. Okay, so that's a basic summary of the electric ray trend following system, and it's on stocks, it's on the stock market, the 6,000 or so stocks on NYSE and the NASDAQ. And basically, if you want to take a look at more of these trades, again, you can just visit my website, winnertrading.com. You go to trading systems, electric ray trend following system for the description, and then if you want the actual look at the trades and the updates, electric ray trend following November 2013. I guess in a year's time we're going to have quite a lot of information, quite a lot of trades on there, and we'll just see how they go. So far, such really good results. So I'm really happy that this is going to be very beneficial for people who want to follow these trades. I'm just going to click these links over here, so take you to the screencast. So if you want to actually see the setup for the particular trades, they're over here. So it's done through Jing, so it'll just take you a link to that particular trade. Okay, so have a great trading day and speak to you very soon.